Hey guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you how to put on eyelashes. I hope you enjoyed this video. I believe it's really easy, but it did take a lot of practice, and I've been putting eyelashes on for a very long time. So this is the final look with the falsies, and again, I'm not wearing eyeliner, and I want to say they look pretty good. So enjoy this video. Okay guys, so let's get started. First, what you're going to need is your mascara, eyelash glue. I use Duo in color black. So when I put this on, as you can see right here, oh, you can't really see. I had a little accident, so it's coming out. So you see it's black. So when you put it on and it dries out, it's black against your eyelashes. It doesn't look like eyeliner, it just looks darker. I don't really like how the regular glue or the clear one work. It looks a little tacky. I like the black one. Again, this is Duo. You can find it at Target. It's like $5 maybe for this little one, and it lasts a long time. And of course, your eyelashes. Now, these are my eyelashes. Let me see. Okay, so my eyelashes are very thin from the edge, as you can see right here. Wait, there you go. So see right here, it is very thin. That way it looks natural when you put it on, especially if you're gonna put it on without eyeliner. And this also doesn't hurt the corner of your eyes. Now, these I already used. I bought these at Target. They're like $3. I don't really care for expensive eyelashes because at the end of the day, not at the end of the day, when you're done using them in general, you're gonna throw them away. These are like $3 and they are Miss Adorro, I think that's the brand. It's from Target, and I used these yesterday. I already took off the glue because I'm gonna wear them again today, and I already cut them to my size. Remember to always cut your eyelashes. You don't want the eyelash to be glued over here on the side, and you don't want the edge to be poking right here, the inside. So again, I'm not going to wear eyeliner. Oh, and you also need a fan. Sorry if I'm in your face, but I feel like I have to do this directly to the camera and not on the mirror. Oh, but I am gonna look a little bit to the side. I put a little bit of mascara on. This mascara is kind of old, so, well, not old. I'm almost done with it, but it still has enough where I can put a little bit of mascara on my eyelashes so my fake lashes can have of support, if that makes sense. Okay, so now that you did that, you're going to grab your eyelash and add glue, just a little bit. It doesn't need to be over dramatic, just enough. I mean, maybe if I wouldn't have squeezed the glue, I wouldn't have this mess. You don't want to over dry where your glue is dry, because then it's not going to stick to your eyelid. But you'll be able to feel it, like if you touch it and it's a little bit sticky, that's good. So now, okay, let's see if I can do this without a mirror. If not, this is a video fail. I'm going to look down. Oh, okay, let's see. I'm going to look down. Oh, I can't do it. I need a mirror. Okay, I think I got it. And once you have it on, like in the middle, you want to just lightly press on the sides. Now you guys, this takes practice. Don't think that on my first try of putting lashes, everything was perfect. No. The first time I tried putting on lashes, I overdid it with the glue. My eyelash was like sticking over here. I had no idea what I was doing. But now, I feel like I'm pretty good now. Okay, so now that you have it on, you're going to fan it off. And that way, you can continue with your next eyelash and not worry that it's gonna like fly off or something. Okay, it feels pretty good. It makes a difference. Eyelash, no eyelash. Okay, now remember, push them up lightly because you want your eyes open. You want eyes to show. You're not gonna put fake eyelashes on so they could be -inches long. Oh my god, look at the difference. Okay, so now we're gonna go on with eyelash number 2. So once you have your eyelashes on, remember, push them up a little bit, even if the glue is dry. Push them up just a tiny bit. And even though you already put mascara before putting on the eyelashes, you just want to do that again so the little hairs can attach to the fake eyelashes. You don't have to go crazy. And remember to put mascara at the bottom. So look, if I'm looking to the side, there shouldn't be any hairs sticking out from right here. If there is, that's when you go like this with your wand. Now I like my bottom eyelashes dark because I want them to look like I'm also wearing fake lashes. I honestly don't know if there's fake lashes for the bottom of the eye. I feel like I have a good set, so I can just put mascara on. But I don't know how I feel about putting eyelashes right here. And give a little love to those eyebrows. Okay guys, so we are done with this video. I know it's very short, but I just wanted to show you guys how to put on eyelashes. It's very easy. It takes a lot of practice, trust me. And I hope you guys enjoy this, and make sure you comment and subscribe and turn on the notifications, and let me know what you want to see. I say this all the time. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thank you.